Yeah, well, that that looks like a little gasp to me. This could be more of the same. Let's try to sell a unit below the current low, down there at 42. All these attempts at getting long so far have been wrong, but we're going to see below the current lows. If we get down there, we got two lows there that's been support, and there was the prior high before on the way up, so it looks sort of like a fulcrum level. If we come down here below, trade below this 43 number, which has been inimical, we should trade. If we trade below here, we ought to get a move that's going to go at least down, I'd suspect down into the 30s, based on what we've seen thus far, because it's been a real chop shop for, at least for, okay, we just got filled. Let me stop talking here and get this in here. Put a stop above on the first unit, up there at 56, pay 88.56 on the buy stop, and we're going to look to get this down as quickly as we can to what would be break even, because we don't want to get chopped up anymore on all this stuff. It's been kind of obnoxious, so let's try to deal with break even trades as opposed to pressing it, because each time we've come back and overlapped just enough to be able to take a good profit and turn it into a break even or even a loss. So we don't want to do that. If that's going to be the rest of the way today works out, then we're just going to have to be adapting to it. I thought there'd be more movement today, but you know, it's really been a kind of a choppy session after the big stuff that we had yesterday. Okay, we got to get down, take out this 37 low. Whether we do so, well, it's anybody's guess, I guess. And working sideways in this right around that 88.40 area. The low 40s seem to be where we want to be for the last half hour or so. Okay, there we go. All right, now bring your stop on down. Bring it all the way down to break even. Bring your stop all the way down to break even. And oh, this looks great. This looks great. This is what we're looking for. So we trade 30. Put a stop in for second unit rather below the low down there at 29. Second unit, sell second unit. And let's see. Let's bring our other stop down. Give us a few ticks in it, so that we cover our transaction costs and have, a little bit. We shouldn't come above. We really shouldn't get above 39 if we're going to keep going lower. So, that's it. That's 39. We should break from here if we're going to go. We got slightly below the prior low earlier, but that's exactly 30 that we came down to before. I thought we traded 29. I thought we traded through. I thought that was a 31, but I guess well, we just got filled on this. Cancel. Okay, straight cancel the unit 2 entry below, and let's try to figure out what's going on here. We're going to have to